Arro card uses alternative approval factors instead of relying only on a traditional credit score, which makes it different from many standard credit cards. If you have bad credit and want the Arro card, you'll learn what can affect approval, what information to prepare, and what steps can improve your application. The first step is checking your application details before you apply. Credit card issuers review the information you provide, so make sure your personal details, income information, and contact information are accurate. A low credit score does not automatically mean every credit product will deny you, but approval decisions depend on the company's requirements and the information available during the application review. Before applying for Arro card, review your credit reports. Check for incorrect accounts, inaccurate, late payments, or outdated information that could affect how lenders view your profile. If you find errors, dispute them with the credit bureau reporting the incorrect information. Removing inaccurate information can help make your credit profile more accurate. Your current financial situation also matters. Review your income, existing debts, and monthly payments so you understand your ability to manage another account. Avoid submitting multiple credit applications close together. Each application can create additional credit inquiries, and applying too often may make it harder to track what is affecting your approval chances. When completing the Arro card application, provide accurate information and avoid guessing details. Incorrect information can delay the review process or lead to a denial. If you are denied, review the reason provided by Arro. The explanation can show whether the issue was related to your credit profile, application details, or another factor. You can then focus on improving the specific issue before applying again. That may include correcting credit report errors, improving payment history, or updating your financial information. Building credit takes consistent account management. Paying bills on time, monitoring your credit reports, and keeping financial information accurate can help create a stronger profile over time. The main steps are checking your credit reports, preparing accurate application information, understanding Arro's approval decision, and fixing problems that may have caused a denial. Your next step is to review your credit profile before applying and make sure every detail on your application matches your current financial information. If this helped you understand how to improve your chances of getting approved for Arro card with bad credit, like the video and subscribe for more credit card and credit building guides.